these allegations have no meaning when these allegations are done on the platform of our opponents. Now what she speaks by sitting on the Aam Aadmi platform does not have any meaning, because the script is given by Aam Aadmi Party. Those who join BJP, the script is given by the BJP leaders. Now, in spite of all this, the people started joining Congress Party. Various leaders are joining Congress Party. So these things who are living when the party was going through difficult time, they are going for their selfish motive, selfish benefit. And it does not affect, it pains us, but it will not affect us. One Pratima goes, 10 Pratimas will be created in the Congress Party.
At one point of time, we can say is that we have 6 months or 7 months down the lane as far as assembly elections are concerned. 5 MLAs we have, 4 to 5 MLAs we have. How is it difficult task for Girish now to build up this, to see that at least you gain confidence among people and majority of MLAs come from your side?
See, definitely the difficulty was the day our 10 MLAs left. Reorganization party is not a difficult task which we have started. But most challenging is the winning the trust of the people. So our challenge is to win over the people, more than winning the elections. Now we have many ways to win the elections, but we want to win the elections by winning the people.
Have you all
First, we want to win the people, and we can win the people only by winning the trust of the people.
Don't you think some people have been, especially those voters who vote for Congress Party, have been taken for granted?
Why they have to be taken for granted?
Because
See, these are the individual aspirations. When it becomes priority for the individuals, then the interest of Goa, the interest of party, such things bound to happen.
Even there have been still those question marks are being raised on the resignation issue. की एक फाट दिले पत्ते घेतले दुसरे दिले काय कितें जालें काय खबर ना नेवो येतलो मागीर मदें तुमच्या आमदारा मदें कुफुजा सो हाव ऑल दीस थिंग्स डज द काँग्रेस पार्टी मिक्स
कफुजा तुगे तकलें आसतलें एक्चुअली आमच्या तकल्यान कांय ना.
काय ना
As long as new president does not come in place, I am the president. Although I have resigned, I am the president.
So finally next 6 months कशें आसतलें स्ट्रक्चर काँग्रेस?
We have already started working round the clock. We have already started visiting various constituencies. We are rebuilding the party. The membership is going on at booth level, and we are getting very good response. You can see every day somebody or other is joining the party.
You still maintain your statement like earlier you said 70 to 80% would be new faces few days back.
I am saying it loud and clear. This time 70 to 80% of the people will be new faces and young faces. And that is what the people wants us to do. And we want to follow the path laid down by the people of Goa. We are just following what the people of Goa are telling us.
Would you like also your voters, your hardcore voters, or people going to give you all feedback? Baba, yeah, ashe जाता मैं कितने दिवचे सांगचे रहता.
That is what we are doing right now. We are talking to the people. And I was moving during this municipality elections, RP election, house to house. I was listening to the people, and now also we have started communicating with the people. And we follow the agenda of the people. Gone are the days where parties to set the agenda and people is to follow. Now people they set the agenda and we follow.
One more thing, Pratima, today in the press conference said, की आपाचे आणि तेजे वोटिंग एकटें जाल्यार ते जिखपाचें. Is it तेजे वोट होते काँग्रेसाचे वोट होते?
Pratima still has not understood the game of politics. In game of politics, 2 plus 2 cannot become 4. Either it can become 6 or 7, or it may become 0 also, or it can become 1 also. So the arithmetic of politics is different. So if she has gone with AAP thinking that what she got and what votes AAP got if combined, so this mathematics does not work in politics.
Pratima also said that 6 months before she had offer for joining up. That was brought to your notice anything? Today she told in the press.
No, if that was the thing, moment you are in talks with other political party, when you are a member of one political party and your loyalty is with some other political party, it's very dangerous. Now also for Aam Aadmi Party also to have such people is dangerous. That people with having a, you know, दोन पायांचेर आमी वळ्यांचेर पांय दवरता म्हणटा पळय, that is, such people are dangerous. You have to be either this side or that side. We cannot be on all the sides of the fence. Thank you.